Remakeup the Achawi Kamataya Paubing BM Kisan Week Tarada Kakani installment release Mihera One Nation, One Fertilizer Project La Habo Mihera Manipuli illegal immigrants Kale Pashok Vai Shimshim Survey Habo Kora Chehera Laikhyang Thor Ajit the Tangkhul Express Wipau Thangmeiring Chodang in a Pamidlay Paubing Maisain ang Nang Rumsa Prime Minister Narendra Modi BM Kisan Saman Sammelan 2022 Show Mihera Kazipche Indian Agriculture Research Institute New Delhi Likwikada Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer we Azingni Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samruti Kendras Shatrukla BM na Tharkat Kamihera Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Jan Urvarak Bari Yojana Gaho One Nation One Fertilizer La Habok Mihera La Pradhan Mantri Kisan Saman Niti We Thrada Kakani Installment Luba Crore Ting Thrada Through Direct Benefit Transfer Aina Release Samihera Prime Minister Na Agri Startup Conclave Aina Exhibition La Habok Mihera Fertilizer Harwi Maramli Kakapi Indian H Koho E-Magazine La Pong Mihaira Kisan Samelan Ji Farmers Now Bing We Mirin Gavang Mai Kwai Atumui Sak Shap Chile Gatomi Kwai Advanced Agriculture Techniques Kura Kwai Wivangna Pradhan Mantri Samriti Kendra Shatruk Shomi Khaiji Har Yormi Kwai Apamang Wivang Maningla Ngalai Hui Farmers Bing Ni Kangshik Matamai Kwai Kasana Da PM Nahanga Pradhan Mantri Kisan Saman Niti Installment Kathar Misho Kahaiji Farmers Pingni Direct Vazang Haira Kala Tiwali Mararang Laka Mishab Kahai Wivang Ringpaya da PM na Pongshoka Aya Hapok Mi Kahai Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Jan Urvarak Bari Yojana One Nation One Fertilizer Kaji Scheme India Le Kasem Ayur Kamatha Har Farmers Pingni Ngarin Mi Kwai Kasana da PM Motina Hangsanga Manipuli illegal immigrants Pamdaklay Pakwi Kwai Shimshimwi Survey Habo College Hera Valid documents Mazang ILB passes Magazang Mi Shatruk Trada Gatum Sampangluya Gaji Hangda Manipuri now Makaning Hile Ungasom Machine Marhaira da CM na Hanga Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na Mathang Gahang Population Commission Sem Kahai Tili illegal immigrants to quickvai house to house surveys at Pokhara. Itum the Thaibai, Ajahontang foreign nationals, Hang Matida Chishat, Rohingyas now being Zangda Bulisna to Kukui Shokhaira. Population Commission we azingni Ainla Shem Shokhaura, illegal immigrants Aina, foreigner Ungazang, check Sakvai mechanism Sem Deleda Pirin Singh Nahanga. Shimshimni surveys alaga illegal immigrants pingni Shimchun sang sakasa ping shili action kuirada CM Piren Singh na hang batinaira CM na hang Bangladeshi khani jingum hang phangada mati Muhammad Anwar Hussain aina awinaum yara Muhammad Amjad Ali ani khani na 1990 wi aina Manipur local now sarek laga pamragasa to kuherada angre chitada khlai ninga kharik phongshoka CM Naghang Bangladeshi nationals being Nahili driving license la Aadhaar card la Gokui Lahera Kala Ayini Mishul driving license Aina Aadhaar card Mishogo Pakachi officials being Nila action Quirada CM Nahang Matinaira Manipuli Mipokwi machine Machumana Kala Ayawi mi illegal immigrants la foreigners machine na Itum Mipok machine di Chungmai hike by later Kalehi Theta Manipuli inner line permit system implement Sakmina Kachihi Hangsanga. Illegal immigrants Umzanga Kalehi Shorkar Mangna Makam Kuiramana da Mipok machine Ngakwikvai Yarinala Kagadomiluda Piren Singh Yarili Kabosaya.
Walk-in interview in UCRU. R&T Institute and Aviation Academy is yet again coming back to UCRU on 20th of October from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Salom Cafe, Winovajai, UCRU. R&T Institute is one of the leading aviation academy in the Northeast. With 100% placement assistant record, and a lot of young candidates from UCRUL have been placed in different airlines, and few are still undergoing the training. All interested candidates may call or WhatsApp the given number for registration. The institute is open for both male and female candidates. Hurry up, register now.
Achalaga awaina shijin ragsa kanina ina sem gakui oturi Kankhana machut sada kare khanei phanit Chodang Khuleni ajahon tarik trada phangathang mayon haira phanichi Chodang Khulen chinau longna makho khamina khanei phanit khamayon chili masowa sada Chodang wi headman AS Ningrishangna philan khangami la masowa Chodang chinau long wi president SP Khashimlana philan khangdamia Chodang Khuleni mayon gaha phanichi ramdui khanieda khanina ina Rakukui Otubing Mishiman Sakla promote Sakavai Vivang Rung Kamina. Kanida Pingni Hikata Awayina Sakra Otsak Mamalaik Mai Tamgujite Atam Langasaya Panichili Karewi Ena Tatna Kra Mishanwi Asak Avad Ayayab Babung Palak Aina Mayon Kuhera Mishun Pasak Pazada Kala Niyalum Shilausa the Ringapa Lumkalau Atam Ngasaya Kanina Awayina Upon a day the Wivang Shichinda, Lui Ot Kasalila, Kala Zingham Zingodli, Kang Kavai, Kanala Kahai, Nampo Kata, La Shichin Saya. Reader plastic la Kate Ot European Malayrum Laka, Kanina in a Semgokui or Chichin, Rasada, Kanina we can Kanai, Mishmala, Shichin Mashum Kavaida, Chodang Khulen Chinau Longna, Panichi Makokamigasana. Congress President Election Ayasara Manipur Pradesh Congress we meeting. Nala Atumui Kanmet Ming Rokhaira Manipur Congress President K. Megachandra Congress Legislative Party Leader O. Ibobi Zangda Indian National Congress We Katana Kapangaga Bowling State Party Headquarterly Kuikaya Megachandra Naghang Delegates Hang Pangada Matina Election Jili Kanmet Ming Rokhaira Congress President Candidate Mallikarjun Kharge Aina Sashi Tharu Ani Kajipanas Kasani Kala Akama Kanmet Kachitli Tayhaura Former Chief Minister Okram Ipobi Naghang Political Party Walungli National President Kapangkwai Democratic Election Kuikaka Hidada Malay Lakranga Kala Ayawa Election Jina Congress Maling Maywang Sakrada Ipobi Nahanga Voting G AICC Headquarter Kala State Kajitawi Party Polling Booth Li Kuikang Rokhaira AICC Headquarter Li Veteran Congress Leader P. Chindambaramda remake up the vote Panama. Candidate Kaniwe Alungli Mikpai Shikang Rock Malay Manada election Hiwi Tili Kokosada Vapabamra Gaji Party Wiminahanga. Ajuwe Congress President Katarhi Pradesh Congress Committee meeting Jiko Gardana Kapangagi Gijina. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh India with Ambassador High Commissioner Tharukli Chief Minister Secretary Li Sambangaira. Ngalay Gdaili Kangshik Mathami Kavaikala State with Art and Culture Promote Sakvai Lahiwi Ot Ayang Leli Yorg Shopwing Nasan Ngay Kuikahaira. Sheikh Mai Zamji Packaging Mathami Sada La Aming Mathami Zangasakta Chewi Special Economic Zone Sem Kavai Ambassador Bingjina CM Li Hanga Kala Athletes Bing Chamakali Train Sang Sakavai Maramla Nasan La Horticulture Otyur Yoshok Kavai Maramla Zekaira. Romania Katha European Galili skilled manpower we upon later clay Maram Lang Zeka. Ambassador Pingjina Atumui Embassies Li Kangshik Kalay Shichinda Rakara Manipur Sangai Festival Katomira Kala Ayang Lewi Miping Nala Nitrichili Unzang Kwai Sami Kwai Samira the Hanghaira. Ambassador Pingchi Manipuli Matang Unzanga Shokawi Departments Ngate Textile Commerce and Industry Horticulture Tourism Higatali State we Ot York Shop Service Kala Tourism Maramli Ngasangida Ledale. One district, one product Wivang Team Jina Chandel Bishnabu Kala Infa Iswi District Administration Lila Sampangra. CM Li Unsam Kapang Ambassador High Commissioner Bingji India Wivang Indonesia Ambassador Kasa Manoj Kumar Party Tunisia Muikam Jathom Kangde Republic of Cote d'Ivoire YK Silas Thangal Romania Rahul Srivastava Ethiopia li Ambassador kasa le Chamai Gali High Commissioner kasa R Masashi Athumna Chuing Chaili Mati Manipuri Mina Akwa transfer sami gahali makamia jitheda ICTS project Infra-City with staff pingna aya Infra-West DC office complex Lampheli sit-in protest pamchithera CDPO Rosni Chan Dorang Bamli State Choga with transfer posting tat khana mashula transfer sami hawada protest kasana Manipur Department of Personnel and Administrative Reform we Jizakmi Atchuda employee Akana Otpamni Zingum Aka Kajang Truk Mapairang Laka Masakapai Maram Malayaka transfer Masakapainada Ka CDPO Rosni Jan Darang Bamlia ICTS Infra-City project li Kajang Shinila Mapairanga Kala we transfer Kasaji Maram Kaja Malay Manada staff Pingjina Makamia Kasana CDPO Rosni Jan Darang Bamli ICTS project Mao Maramli transfer sami gaina Ogtiwi police long hak makeup kacha International Criminal Police Organization we 90 General Assembly ajat New Delhi li hapokora kazipche prakati maitan li ajui Tariq Makuda aka aina tangda rungbara ajui haugapok rani chi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na bashomira kala Union Home Minister Amit Shah na kupkasang thang mutui gidale Interpol we headquarter Leon Lee later National Central Bureau we Mingning Zangaroka Interpol we General Assembly Chile Ogtui Apam Ngade we ministers police chief police officers la Interpol member ngalabing we support staff Interpol head office Minganingping Indian officers la Palmi Ping Zangda meeting Kani Gada Gazibra the Hanga Gazib Chile Executive Committee we Mila Kapangida later Interpol Kazipchi law enforcement ni Kadom Rokta Jadva Kawai Kasaga Twitter Kwai Kumkali Akshi Kazipsip Chia Pension Ayin Kata Semda Zingum Hangchishat Kahayaka additional pension mirada ladale Central Shoka we pensioner Ping Wibang Central Civil Service Pension Rules Katar Semda Pensioners Ping Zingum Hangchishata Panga Hangchiko da Panga Kala Shaka Kashumamanda Atumi payment Lamatai Sang Rada Hanga CCS Pension Rules 2021 Atishura Zingum Hangchishat Kaka Aina pensioners we compensation allowances Zingum Pangangali Mataika Mamandra Gachi Kaji retired government employees Ping Wivang Mana Zingum Shaka Kashungaka pensioners Pachi we basically 100% additional pension Matai Mira the Hangdale Hangda Grahi 2003 kumwi Kayon Tarik Tumrada Aka Mararang Laka appoint Gasa Shoka employees Ping Wibang Mangmana Kala Chile Defense Service we civil government employees Zangdale Ka railway employees All India Service employees Ping Wibang Mazang Manada Hanga Karanausan Kala person with disabilities Ping we assessment came Aya Yukru district li Rungmihaira came chi Atumle Kangajon kids La Appliance Mikwa Yukro District Administration District Disability and Rehabilitation Center District Social Welfare District Health Society Yukro Kala Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India Ling Shikta DRDA Holy Rungamina Assessment came Chile Karnausan Shakani Apagatum Kala BWDs Hung Truk the Shini da Mi Shakatum Navazanga Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India with Dr. Na beneficiaries Pingli Yang Mihaira Kala Atsumi report Atishura Kangajon Mikabai Mihaurajia Assessment Camli Taigakui Atishura Dry Cycle Wheelchair Caliper Palsy Chair Elbow Crutch Walking Stick Hearing Aid Power Class Smart Cane Smartphone Mix Kit Hikatahi beneficiaries Pingli Migi Gijina Yukro with Deputy Commissioner IAS Krishna Kumar la came Chili Wazanga Kala Chikatha came Chi Chingai and Jesami Block Wivang Awanga Somli Ajirumira Zelangbung li Tarik Mukut Thang Rumigi the Ladele came Chi Rastria Vayashri Yochna Ina ATIP scheme we Azingni Makok Kamina Shekshin now being we Mirin Gavang Wing Sakavai 15 fortnight period free campaign we Haugapok Ranye Aya Medical Directorate Lamphel Partly Kwikaira all the ways possible Kichi to Guisada Angran Angyechi Manipur we handicap Development Foundation na Zimsho Trada Mati Thangwibang Makokamina. Kazip Chile Shijin Kwai Posture Kala Leaflet La Manipur Health and Service Week Additional Director Y. Kobal Krishnana release Sami Haira. Handicap Development Foundation Manipur Chairman Dr. Sabam Jesopandana Kahang differently able person Gaja Shake Shipping Kalabing ni Yarina Yangata Kala Atumling Ateda Kukuhi Lesada Atumna Chikatali Kangra Haira Ka Ara Kangache Rama Mandale Medical Science na Tharza and Pashokta Deformity Kaikava Pasali issue Kale and Rashoka Chita Sada Kipa Lirano Deformity Shake Abnormality Kala Kohohiva Rashok Paigachi Hangda Higda campaign Kala movement Hili Yari Sai Corona Katomida Sheshida Leda Kalabing Wivang Pakami Mirinji Kurak Vai Sasada Dr. Sabamna Kasatsanga Manipur Health and Service Additional Director Y. Kobal Krishnanala Shake Bing benefit Ngarin Mida Kalewi Alungli India Aina Ngalegate Bingwi Kangate Maram Hangsangda differently able person Bing Wivang Matak Ma infrastructure Ngarin Mikwai Hangsang Haira Y. Kobal Krishna Nagahang Mashagishin Nauna Masakra Ot Kuchunkala Shagishin Mijina Sak Shablaya Chuibang Shagishin Mijili Natayda Mukuhaila Itum Raichaya da Kwisa da Kasatsanga Matangazin Manipur Fashion Extravaganza Rumida Ming Miang Lakahai India with fashion designer Robert Nauram Wisholi Miss World 2017 Manushi Jhelarna Showstopper Sada Satmihera Angran Angyeji Imphal Hotel Kuikara Miss India World 2021 Manasa Varanasi Manipuri actress Balahijam Soma Laistram Kala Bichu Ningombam Atumla Show Jilizanga Manipur Fashion Extravaganza Je Handloom Ngishan Pangthem La Manipur Li Kasem Jewelry Li Kagdom La Pangthem Ot Kasabing Ni Khayak Shi Chigate Sada Ngaran Kamina Jia Manushi Jhelarna Kahang ana show jili gazangji fashion kazip li gazang mangasala state we kajon karak now being we kathem kala atumui online gasang jili kadom kami so khangai phong shok masaya Manipur we kajon karak now gajungana shanaung sada chui bangla jhelarna so khangai phong shoka show jili differently able community li lahosangda jhelarna Robert Nauram Brandley maya khangai phong shoka film li la khangrava Manushi Jhelarna Manipuli Kaung Ajawi Hina Kareng Saya Kazip Chile State we Pangthem Ot Mathalak Aina Sada Kalabing Kai Khalila Felicitate Sami Hera La Cancer Awareness we Bing Ribbon Campaign Akaya Kasada American Oncology Institute Cancer Detection Brazil Launch Sahira Manipur Fashion Extravaganza Chile Temda Shokrada Clay Designer Arbin Dongjam Manipur Jewelry brand Radhamani Jewelry Aina Mohindro Radhamani we Ot Pingla Chitei Haira Textile Commerce and Industry Week Minister Nemja Kipken Indian Fashion Award we founder Sanjay Ningam Kala Northeast Institute of Fashion Technology Hogapoga Vikram Rai Medi Atumla Kazip Chili Vazanga Laluida Ajawi Kamataya Baubing BM Kisan Week Tarada Kakani installment release sa Mihera One Nation One Fertilizer project la Habo Mihera Manipuli illegal immigrants kale Pashok Vai Shimshim survey Habo Koro Chera Aju Bau Hiling Jangaira Bau Nada Klenda Tum Sai Korali Ringapagala Kamaya Zimishong Sa Serano